What's up, guys? It's a girl Maria.
And it's your girl Zach, and we're back with another
video.
mukbang. Mukbang. So we got
Jamaican beef patty.
Yeah, I got Jamaican beef patty. She got 2 Jamaican, and I have a what's it called?
A bagel.
A bagel. With curd cheese. Yeah. And I got me some fruit punch soda. And I got me another, see, yeah, you know. So we just gonna get it in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And tell your family, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, grandma, and subscribe to us.
Yeah, so we're gonna just get it in. So guys, how y'all doing? I know we missed a lot of video. We miss you guys. I'm trying to make mad video for you.
Next week we're gonna do video. It's hot.
I like my bagel cold. How do you like your bagel, guys? Comment down below. You like it hot or cold?
So cool.
What? Sorry, my son's coming.
¿Qué pasó?
Don't touch it. Here. Here. Here, baby. All right, here. Come, sit. Get my new phone. Come, mother.
This way.
Go get my new phone. Here's you 22, guys. So yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Baby.
Come this way. No. This way.
Baby.
No. Sorry. My son over
This is
here.
why we can't do video.
Yeah. Why? It got dark. Right? No? I feel like it got dark. But, how y'all guys doing today, guys? Hey, baby. So,
We need more ideas for YouTube.
I'm needing more subscribers. We're trying to get more subscribers, guys. It's hard to upload a lot.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Okay, come watch it.
Go.
Come.
Baby, stop. We're doing a video. Stop.
Baby, alright, you want some? Come on. Okay. Come. Alright. Come. Go look.
You said be quiet.
Come on. Okay. Okay. Alright. This is why we don't do video, because all people calling our name and stuff. Forgive me.
I did. Oh, I think I made time.
It's so good. Wait.
What?
There's milk.
Here.
Eat it.
You feeding me?
Alright, let me try my beef patty. I like my plain. It's so good.
I put my ketchup.
What? Yeah. No. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I had it.
So good. Like, I don't know. I'm probably cooked up. Right, ketchup.
Over here it's snowing a lot. Somebody hurry up.
Right.
Wait, what you say?
Forgot. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm saying I'm getting full. You?
Cause you eat that bagel, no?
Yeah, it's the bagel. Like this video. Give this video 5 likes. She thinks she's gonna prank me, guys.
Watch this.
I'm gonna prank her.
You see.
And she don't know what's gonna come.
You see.
You will see what I'm gonna do. Comment down below. Comment down below if who thinks a great pranker, me or Maria. Which one? Because I got a lot of stuff in my mind that I'm gonna do to her, but she don't know. Whew. So cool. How many minutes is it?
11 minutes.
You know, well, so we're gonna tell you why we haven't uploaded. And let me go. I like my beef patty not burnt, but like good crunchy. That's what I like mine. How do you like yours? The same?
Yeah. Soft and crunchy.
I like mine like this.
I like mine with ketchup.
I like mine with hot sauce. There's no hot sauce.
Yo, let me touch it.
Well, so I'm gonna tell you why I'm having a little.
Have my nephew.
No, it's not cause that. I could upload. It just I have too much appointment and yeah, and I haven't been here. She's scared to upload myself when I'm not there. She uploaded 2 videos, right? It's 2, right? 2 videos. Go check it out.
Oh, check it out.
But that's why I haven't, because I've been out here in my mom's house, and I've been doing stuff. Well, I'm so full. But now I'm here most often.
It's a new year. We're gonna start over.
Yeah, more often I'm here. Like I would say 10-20%, and I'm here. I'm gonna do more video. Oh, I'm full. Yeah. So
Like this video, comment down below more ideas and stuff.
and share this video too. And what else? Yeah.
And subscribe.
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It's gonna be on the right side, on the left side. Well, it's gonna be wherever I'll be. It's like that. I think it's gonna be on the left or the right. Right, doesn't matter. But just subscribe to us. And yeah, we're gonna upload more videos like we said. And yeah, we'll see you later. Bye.